good. Peace reflection. I don't know if y'all can hear me. They cutting grass across the street. But you know, I started my sunflower row. So I'm gonna plant my sunflowers. I'm gonna plant 4 different kinds. So we just gonna get started. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. So we just gonna get this thing going. I'm gonna do one of my 8 foot sunflowers right here. I'm gonna do the giant gray stripe. The giant gray stripe I'm gonna plant right here. I'm gonna put 2 seeds in one hole. I've been doing a whole lot today, man. A whole lot. These like some white seeds. So we're gonna go on the ground with them. So as I put some pine shavings in these places, in these spaces, so I'm gonna lightly cover that motherfucker. Excuse my language, but I'm gonna lightly cover it after I plant it. Every seed, I'm gonna lightly cover it with some pine shavings, just as a little mulch. You know what I mean? So this is the giant gray stripe. Now I'm gonna stop talking as I move down because I get closer down by the street. But these right here I soaked overnight. These are my Velvet Queen sunflowers. I soaked 3 seeds. So I'm gonna drop 2 of them in the hole. And I'm gonna put one somewhere else. So I'm gonna just plan and move down. Y'all just stay in here. Drop 2 seeds. Lightly cover up. Mixed color right here, mixed color sunflower. So there you have it, Reflections. I don't know if I can turn it around, but closest to the house right here in this first one, I put my giant gray stripe sunflower. Okay, now you come down here. I soaked these overnight, so they soak close to about 17 hours. But right here in this space right here, this is where my Velvet Queen sunflower is planted. I just planted it right there. Okay. Right here, this is a mixed color variety. Yeah, this is a mixed color variety. And I dropped 2 seeds of those right here. It was a black and a white seed. But that's the mixed color. This get up to 4 to 6 feet tall. My red velvet, well, not my red velvet, but my Velvet Queen sunflower, it gets like 5 feet tall. The giant gray stripe sunflower will get like 8 foot tall. And then this last one right here, the Autumn Beauty. Yeah, that Autumn Beauty, it gets like 8 feet tall. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna water all this in. And just finna give it a light water. Then I make my tags for it, you know. Yeah, I give it my tags. Make my tags after I give it this little water. Let me get my little packs up out of here. So yeah, Reflections. That's what's going on. Let me peep right here, see what's going on with this fence. I still gotta finish the fence. Hey. We coming together slowly but surely. Yeah, we coming together slowly but surely. Y'all probably couldn't even see that chicken wire fence, but it's up there. Yeah. Show y'all something else. In the spot right here where I planted my chamomile, I put a Go Big okra plant transplant that I started from seed. And I put one over here right beside it. You know. And over here where my chamomile, where I planted chamomile, I put one of my Muncie cucumbers in there. I gotta start getting stuff in these little spots, man. It's about that time. Cause back then, them no digging, I'm finna load that shit up back there. Excuse my language again. Yeah, I'm about to load that up back there and start tomorrow. I'm late on a lot of stuff. I feel like I'm late anyway with the carrots. I got my short and sweet carrots. I'm gonna go in with some more of them, and then I'm gonna drop some more seeds in the soil in the fall of some different types of carrots. But I'm gonna go in the ground because I still can drop some of my short and sweet carrots. I got my golden beets. I'm gonna plant them tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna do a few things. I'm gonna keep y'all tapped in. Like I said, I'm gonna do some more recording where y'all can see me doing stuff and not just giving you the after of what what I've been undone. But anyway, Reflections, until the next go around, y'all already know what it is. I'm up out of here.